Despite a precautionary whole departure order issued by the Sandigan Bayan, this office has received credible intelligence reports that former Speaker Martin Romualdez has not ceased attempting to leave the country. The office calls on all relevant agencies to make sure that this does not happen. Let me make this clear. We are not done collecting evidence. We are not done filing cases. The investigation reveals more and more each day and each week. To look away at this point is contrary to the very mandate of this office. So, we build cases as the evidence comes and each element and crime becomes more apparent. As more come, the more we work and the more our cases churn.